The biggest problem when doing astrophotography in an urban environment is sky glow and gradients caused by light pollution. We can buy filters to deal with this, but they're quite expensive. Another alternative is a cheap plugin that can be used in Photoshop on Windows computers. Let's have a look at it and see what it can do. Here we have an image of Comet 46P taken with a DSLR and a 200mm lens. We can use the plugin from ProDigital Software called Astroflat Pro to remove all of that sky glow and the gradients. So if we open the plugin, here is our image. We have three sliders here: smoothness, edge cleanup and dark noise reduction. And we're going to start by using edge cleanup. We'll just slide the slider along. As you can see, the changes around the edge of the image, and we'll add some dark noise reduction. This is quite a heavy amount of sky glow, so we're going to take the slider all the way to 100. We've reduced the sky glow now to the center of the image. Now if we reduce the smoothness slider, there we go. As you can see, sky glow slowly disappears. And we are left with the comet at the center of the photograph. And there we are, ready for more editing and more processing.